We're here at Gowara Waterfall. So let's go inside. And what's that? That's incense. Incense. Oh. Let's go. Parang Pinas lang din talaga. Pero since kasama siya sa package, pupuntahan natin. Pero mataas yung standards natin sa mga beaches and sa sa mga waterfalls dahil magagandang mga waterfalls and beaches natin sa Pinas. So tingnan natin. Ay, may mga coconuts and papaya. So, ayan, here na. Dito yung daan. ₱25,000. So yung driver yung magbabayad na kasi kasama nga to sa package namin. So sige. So we are now entering the waterfalls. Look. So yan yung waterfalls. Aray ko. Ganyan lang siya. We went for this. Maybe this is the falls?
No.
Ito na yun.
Ticket.
Can I see? Can I see?
Is this the fall?
I know. There's no other people. I'll check.
I'm sure there's more.
Really?
Does it?
So hindi pa pala yun yung waterfalls na main. Meron pa dito 50 meters daw. Let's go. So wow, this is the waterfalls and merong mga ganyan. Wow. Ang ganda. Yun, let's go. Wow. Yeah. Hi. So we're done here at Gowara Waterfalls. Hindi na kami nag-swimming kasi magagabi na and wala din kaming dalang outfit. So this is the last stop for this tour and we're going back to our accommodation. So see ya.